Yeah, welcome from the AMB in Stuttgart. We are here to show you the brand new things that we have in Hummingbird and all around the hyperMILL Hummingbird integration. So first of all, in Hummingbird you can see that here we have a brand new version 7, we call it version 7. That is the new user interface, all the apps are brand new, fresh, much faster, and they are covering all the areas of Hummingbird, all the blocks of Hummingbird around planning and control, CNC connectivity, all the workplaces, tool management, tool logistics, until the machine data collection. Everything is brand new, and you can visit us here to see all that here. Together with that, we have more integration of hyperMILL into Hummingbird or vice versa. So one great thing that we show here is the integration of the hyperMILL tool database into Hummingbird. You see a picture here. Everything that we do have here in Hummingbird is automatically synchronized with hyperMILL. So things stepping into hyperMILL Hummingbird tool logistics is so much easier than with any other approaches. So we are happy to show all that to you here. Welcome to the AMB. Come here and visit us. Thank you very much.